I picked up this Toro CCR 2500. It's only 35 bucks at a pawn shop in June, but the problem I seem to be having with it is not getting it started. It starts fine. It just that it runs for a while and then it dies as if it's run out of gas. If I hit the primer button really fast while it's dying, it'll come back to life. It'll run for a while and then it'll die. And it seems like, to me, it's just not sucking any gas from the gas tank into the bowl of the carburetor. One thought was that the vented cap wasn't vented anymore, so it was creating a vacuum in there. And that seemed to make sense, but even when I ran it without the cap on it, I still had the same symptoms. So I'm going to try to recreate the problem, and then I'm going to see if I can fix it. Okay, and so that's our problem. Okay, sort of gotten it cleared out. You want to make sure you get this little needle valve back in, and I think it just more or less goes back in there, and there's a little wire spring that goes in some other clips right here. Put that in there, and that simply, when the float floats up, because there's enough gas, it'll turn off the gas. When it goes down, it'll let more gas in there, which kind of sounds like the problem that we have. So I got that hole cleaned up really well. That needle valve goes up and down easily. So I'm just going to put it all back together again now and see if it runs any better. Who knows, but we'll see. Also, this is the sort of brass bolt that goes in the bottom of the thing. There's some little holes right on the side here, and there's also one in the middle. I don't know totally what it does, but make sure those are cleaned out too. I just ran some wire through there to make sure it's cleaned out. I've had it running for several minutes now. It hasn't died. It seems to be doing everything it's supposed to do. I'm going to just get a close-up of that carburetor so you can see all the wires and levers and springs and stuff, how they go back on there before I put it back together again. Put it back together again and try to blow some snow here. Alright, let's give this a try and see if it works. Well, it works. I don't know exactly what the problem was. I suspect it was probably something to do with that needle valve area being plugged, something like that. Wasn't letting gas flow down into the carburetor bowl. It's pretty easy to take these things apart. If you watch the video, you can see where all the little wires and levers and things get hooked up again. If your thing's not working, why not take it apart and see what you can do? I think you might be able to fix it. Good luck.